Ridge Gourd Chutney. Support dear farmers. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my simple cooking channel. This is Ridge Gourd. Ridge gourds are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, magnesium and vitamin B6. Low in calorie content. Ridge gourds come from the gourd family. In my previous video, I have shown how I make ridge gourd mixed with thick coconut milk curry. You can check it out in the description box below. Today I am going to show how to make chutney out of the ridge gourd skin. We are going to use only the soft part. The thick part we can't use because it has lot of fiber. Dear friends, try to use young ridge gourd for a best chutney. This is how we cut off the thick area using a knife. Just follow like how I am doing. Later use a scraper to scrape the young or soft side of the ridge gourd. Scrape it off like this and collect it on a plate, and you have to cut it small pieces. Continue doing all the rest of the ridge gourd. Here we have around 1 cup of ridge gourd sliced into small pieces. By the way, my friend's idea is this. Prema from Kerala, Vasanti, Sarla and Pungade from Malaysia gave me the idea. A big thank you. They are the main reason I am doing this today. And it is really a very delicious chutney. And the rest of the ingredients are 1 teaspoon of ginger sliced, 1 teaspoon urad dal or uluthu, 1 teaspoon garlic, 5 green chilies, 1 dry chili. You can add more chili if you like spicy. Half a big onion sliced, 50 grams shallot sliced, half a cup grated coconut, quarter cup tamarind juice. It's best you use sesame oil. I'm using sesame oil for the seasoning, and salt for taste. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons sesame oil to a wok. Once heated up, add the urad dal or uluthu. Once it turns slightly brown, add ginger and garlic sliced to it and saute well. Then the dry chili, followed by the green chilies. Now add the big onion sliced, followed by the shallot sliced. Saute it. Okay, time to add the coconut grated and add salt too. Once it turns brown, off the stove. Remove it and add it to a mixer jar. Let it cool down first. Using the same wok, add little more oil and saute the sliced ridge gourd skin. Fry till the raw smell goes off. Please support the farmers. Without them, we won't be having a nice food here on earth. Add the tamarind juice. Now you can off the stove. Blend the first ingredients first. Okay, now you can add the skin of the ridge gourd and blend it to a smooth paste. By the way, add some water to it. Okay, this is the ridge gourd chutney, which is very delicious. You can eat it with rice, chapati, dosa. I'm going to eat with rice. rich gourd. This is how I am going to eat with rice, the rich gourd curry, the soya chunks. These are all I have shown in my previous recipe. Thank you for seeing my video.